AI is your best friend. And let me tell you why you're so lucky to be watching this video in 2023 during the age where AI is taking over. So back in the day, YouTube automation was important and it was really good and it was really new and crazy because it was basically automated. You know, you have a script writer, which is a human who writes the script, and once he's done writing that script, he passes it to the voice actor narrates and then passes that to the video editor. And the video editor is also a human, and then once that's done, then the human would have to create the thumbnail. And already back in the day, that was really, really good because that's automated. You know, you just throw in a video idea to the script writer and he pumps out a script, goes to the voice to the video, and then video to completed video. So essentially like an assembly line that pumps out a video, right? And that was all using humans. Now, in 2023, with ChatGPT, with all these new AIs advancing as fast as they are, you now take humans out of the equation. What does that mean? That means A, you have much cheaper video production costs. You barely have to spend any money to create the videos. Back in the day, if you wanted a really good script to be written, you'd have to spend anywhere from $50 to $100. Now with ChatGPT, it's basically free and it's instant. Imagine you had to pay a scriptwriter to write a script. That guy's probably gonna take 2-3 days to write it, and then it's gonna have some revisions that have to be sent back, and it's just honestly a headache. But now that I look back on it with AI existing, that was so hard. Even though it was relatively hard now, right? But now AI instantly writes the script. Next thing is voice acting. To find a good voice actor, you'd also be spending anywhere from $50 all the way to $150 per script, which looking back, that's ridiculous considering what AI can do today. So with AI, you're spending basically nothing to narrate the script. There's excellent programs like 11 Labs, which I'll be diving into later in this course. So, just look down in the sections, you'll find everything. So yeah, now basically we have voice actors, which are AI, which also means A, we get to pump the videos out instantly, and B, it costs so much less. So boom, right off the bat, 66% of a video production is cut into a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the time. That means your scalability for this business model just 10,000x. It just got way easier. And if that clicks for you, if you understand what AI has done for the YouTube automation niche, for the YouTube automation space, then you should be, jumping in your shoes. You should be super happy. One thing that I didn't realize was how much AI was gonna make this change. And now that AI being implemented into YouTube automation, it's almost like, what are you doing? Why are you not creating hundreds of videos every single day? I'm actually at a point where I think we're actually creating probably like 20 videos a day across all my channels, which is insane. Now I can upload 2 videos a day every single day. That's 14 videos a week. Back in the day, using humans, I would only be able to upload, 20 videos a month using a content team. Not only would it be costing so much to do that also, but it would also take so long to do it. But now, once again, 66% of the cost is gone due to script and voice acting being done by AI, which is so beautiful. I cannot believe where we are. And what the craziest part about this is, it's 2023. Imagine AI in 2025. Now, of course, the landscape of YouTube and the landscape of the internet is going to change by the time where AI is, in 2025. But considering where we are right now and the tools you have at your fingertips, as long as you have internet, it's a no-brainer. It doesn't make sense that you're not scaling. Now, of course, I talked about the script being written by AI, the voice being narrated by AI. Now, what about the video editing? So as of right now, the video editor is still needed to be human. Now, of course, there are video editing apps that are AI-based out there. They're not that good yet, so I wouldn't rely on them. Of course, they can make a video that is bearable to watch, but nobody's gonna watch it. On YouTube, one of the biggest things is average view durations, audience retention. If you're not able to retain the viewer's attention for the entire video because the video is so crappy made by AI, then you're not gonna get success. So of course, it's not gonna cost much, but you're also wasting your time. So if you're gonna go through the hard work of getting the script written by AI and the voice acted by AI, might as well, make the final touch, which is the actual video edit, pristine. So what I'm trying to say is, with your video edit, you still need to use a human. And of course, there's methods somewhere in this course. This is a very robust course. You can find a section about how to hire video editors, how to find good video editors for cheap. Script AI, voice AI, video editor, still human, which is good. Now, of course, you can do all these things yourself. You can facilitate the script being written, you can facilitate the voice being acted, and then you can facilitate the video edit and then upload the video yourself. Now, to make your life 10 times easier, which is what I do with every single one of my channels, is hire a channel manager. Once all these things are in place, the script, the voice, the video, and then the manager, then you have a fully automated, fully self-sustaining system. All you have to do as the owner now is just invest in the video costs, and that's really it. You essentially invest your money into the videos, and then your manager would just facilitate everything. You're basically hands-free. You can be fully hands-off and now go focus on other things in your life like I'm doing right now, or you can still kind of monitor them. I know I actually still do. I still recommend monitoring your managers to make sure that they're, doing the best that they can. Of course, sometimes if you have a manager that is a little wishy-washy, who's not fully dedicated, which I don't know why you have them in the first place, but if you do, you're gonna have to, monitor them a little bit. You're gonna have your foot still in the door to the point where you're gonna have to be telling them what to do, when to do it a little bit, but the goal is eventually you will find that one manager who just sets you free. And I've been so lucky, but I've been doing this for many years now, but I've been lucky and I guess unfortunate in ways where I've been through good and bad editors who've caused me hell, and good editors who've made my life so golden. Once again, there's a section in this course where I teach you exactly how to find the best managers. Kind of top off this video, I'm just really want to double down and make it click in your head that because AI is now in our lives, there's no reason why you can't scale your channels as fast as possible. Now, of course, you're probably thinking like, oh my God, everybody's doing it, everybody's using AI. They're really not. They're really not. I'm looking out there like, yeah, their channel's doing it. But if you start now, if you jump in now and start at a massive scale, so instead of you posting like 3-4 videos a week, you're doing 20 videos a week across 2-3 channels, you're gonna succeed. It's a numbers game. Guys, remember, YouTube automation is a numbers game. Once you upload the video, it's on YouTube forever, and it happens very often where videos from the past start garnering so many views because the video just randomly starts doing well. The algorithm recognizes it. I have videos from 2-3 years ago that are still just randomly going viral, coming down, kind of staying steady, then going viral again. It's just insane. Like uploading YouTube video is like planting a seed, and the more seeds you can plant, the better. And with AI available now, it's going to be cheaper to plant the seeds, it's going to be faster to plant the seeds, and yeah, so just plant as many seeds as you can. So that's really about it. I hope this video kind of makes it click in your head. The goal with every video in this course is to have something click in your head where you understand why I'm telling you these things. And sometimes I may be a little harsh with the way I say things, like I say like you have to do it, but trust me, if you listen to me and you do these things, there's no reason why you can't succeed. At the end of the day, you have to put in the work. You have to build the system where the AI is doing what it has to do. But once it's set up, once it's fully automated, then you're fully set. You can now focus your time on everything else. That's it, and we'll see you in the next one.